Hello, welcome to the Bricksntech channel. And during the Christmas period, Christmas New Year period, I started looking around for sorting containers, things that I could use to better streamline what I do when I build. And the first thing I did was I tore apart a advent calendar, and inside the advent calendar was this egg carton like piece, and I've used that to put all my pieces which I'm sorting through at the moment. So I don't have a lot of pieces to sort, but these are all leftover pieces that I've been going through, the leftover pieces that you get in each of the builds. So that is what I'm using at the moment, and that's not too bad. That's serving a very good purpose at the moment. I'm sure I will have to update one day. But when I went looking elsewhere, I came across these stackable tubs. Now, a couple of things about these. Number one is they're very inexpensive. I think I paid under $2 each for these at a place in Australia we call Officeworks. And these are stackable on top of each other, as you just saw. They are nice and deep, but they also have a shallow piece on top. And that shallow piece can turn over to make it flat on top as a smooth container. And these are fantastic, especially for the price of them. Nice and deep to keep the pieces in. And then as you're sorting through, you can have this to the side and have all similar type of pieces there, or the pieces that you need to work on next in the tray, so everything else is kept in the tub. And then when you're packing it away, they stack on top of each other really well. So I thought that was a great little get. As I said, under $2 each at Officeworks. So really happy with these. And when I went to pay for them, the lady at the counter said that these are brand new. She hadn't seen them before, but they looked really interesting. They are a brand new item. So I'm not even sure who makes them. There's no markings on them to tell me who makes them, but I did come across them. So it's a recommendation if you're into finding something suitable for your sorting, then these come in handy. And I did use these a lot when I was doing the Lego heads jigsaw puzzle, which took me more than 20 hours to do. So very, very handy, and I thought I would share that with you. All right. Till next time, see you later.